LeahRonise. Today we're going to do a DIY. I have my first guest with me today, and this is my niece, Chiquita Rose. Introduce yourself.
Well, hello everyone. I am Chiquita Rose, the one and only, aka Charming Chichi, and this is my first DIY, and I am ready to do this thing with Miss LeahRonise.
Welcome back. Now, in order to paint this chair properly, we like to take a little sanding. Now, you can use sandpaper or you can use these little sander blocks, which I like to use. And because the chair has a sheen to it, you really want to tone it down some, and that will make the paint in here a little bit better. So we're going to let Chiquita sand it down a little bit.
All right, here we go, y'all. Y'all ready?
You don't have to do much, just enough to put a little,
I'm getting my elbows dirty. I'm getting dirty, y'all.
down to the leg.
You know what I'm saying here? Got to sand this good chair down.
Next step is to take a rag, clean rag, and to wipe down the sand. We don't want any grains going on our chair. We want it to be as perfect as it looks for it. Now, when you can either spray paint it or you can use a jar of paint. It depends on what you're good at. She's going to use that kind of paint, and because it has a primer, she don't have to prime it first and then paint it. So one coat should work.
All right, here we go, y'all.
You go ahead and I'm
shake,
step
shake,
on.
shake, shake, shake. Shake your paint, hey. Shake your paint,
Woo!
hey.
Shake your paint. Woo!
Shake your paint.
Woo!
I ain't never done this before. All right, here we go, y'all.
These are small. These are little short spurts.
All right, here we go, y'all. I'm about to
She's gonna paint.
slow motion.
And some people wear masks, and sometimes the paint do bother you. If you do, wear a mask. We just do it raw. Ain't no wrong way to do it right. We're gonna meet you inside at my Atlanta studio, and we're gonna do some more work.
Let's do
We'll
it.
work on that cushion. Okay, now we're in the studio. Don't look back.
Don't
there,
worry
okay?
about it. Don't even
Just
look
keep
back
your eyes
there.
down in
Matter of
here.
fact, look.
Okay, we're gonna. I'm gonna show you different types of staplers that I use. When I'm going. Oh, first, let me tell you what we're doing.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I'll show you what we're doing.
We're gonna cover this.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna cover this.
Cover
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, this.
This.
And she's gonna cover it with this or that, whichever you want to call it, this or that.
This. You can get with this, or you
can
can
get
get
with
with
that.
that. You can get with
This
this, or you can get with that.
But we're gonna get with this. We're gonna put this on top of that.
On top of that. Okay.
Okay. All right. Now for the tools that you're gonna need. If for those of you who are afraid of power, this nice Stanley stapler works great. Staples come in different sizes. Usually for something like this, I use 1/2-inch staplers. Now there are different sizes, 3/8, and it depends on whatever the project is, how deep you want it to go in. Well, normally I use this one. If it's just a small project, I use this little hand stapler.
The Stanley.
But I'm a power tools girl.
Come on.
I bring the big dogs.
Big
Ryobi,
dogs. Big
this is a
dogs.
stapler. This is fast, quick, and in a hurry.
Yes.
You get instant gratification. I love this stapler.
This is for those who have graduated from the Stanley.
Especially from the hand stapler.
Oh, hand.
But there's not nothing wrong with that for
Nothing
those
wrong
of you
with
like
it.
the
Nothing wrong
hand.
with it. You can still have it.
But when you
But
graduate,
this right here, baby.
you want power.
This here right
This
here,
is
baby.
power.
Power.
Here's the staplers that we're going to use. There are different types of staplers, like I say, for different guns.
Yes.
For this particular gun, we're going to use these 14 karat
What?
staplers.
24 karat.
24 karat magic in the air.
Head to toe.
Player, well, look out.
Look out. Okay.
So,
Don't know how it works.
to load it, you open it from the end and you load it from the bottom. Right here. It's already got a few in there. It's loaded, but I don't have a battery in it. Now, I don't load it with a battery. That is always a good safety precaution. Another good safety precaution that you may see or may not see with me is wearing goggles. I do wear goggles, but I may not wear them today because these things can pop in your face and it can hurt you. So really be careful. Even this one, they also can pop up. So wearing goggles or glasses is never a bad idea. So let me get a battery and we're going to load it and then we'll take it from there. All right, what we're going to do is first of all, I want to show you the fabric. The fabric has a pattern. And if the fabric has a pattern, you want to make sure your pattern is always straight. So what I usually do is I'll turn it over where I can see my fabric, the pattern. This is some beautiful fabric.
Yes, it is.
She got this at Joann's.
Yes.
And then it was on sale, and then she used a 20% discount.
Yes.
So if you can save money on your fabric, you want to do so.
Absolutely.
Okay. Say now, when I look at the back of this, you can just pull your fabric up like this and then just put the staples on, like they did. But nothing's wrong with that. But when I do it, I like to put the staples, I like to fold the fabric down just a little bit, about the same length, it's come in about the same width, which is great. So when my staples go in, they have something to bite into, and that will last you longer. So what I usually do is I make sure this is straight, just like this, and then I'll pull this up to where I want it, just guessing. Keep it straight. I'm going to go about right here. So that means we're going to cut this off about right here, all the way down. Wait a minute, okay. We're going to cut it. I'm going to make sure, I'm going to take this off so we can do it right. We're going to cut it off about right here because I don't mind having more than enough. And then we'll cut off, we'll see that line there? Because that line will be probably, it's more than we need. So we could come in a little bit.
Okay.
But we don't have to. So what you can do, like a ruler, you can use pens, pencils, you can use chalk, whatever you like. Measure twice. Always measure, cut once, measure twice. So I'm gonna draw a line, just to draw a line straight across. And almost this table is at the edge of what I want. And then on this side, same thing. Go up about just enough to bring it over as if you're gonna fold a little bit. You good, a little bit more. Okay, that's good right there. So that's about right here. I eyeball it, you don't have to. And then I do it straight. I just do a straight line all the way down. So you just take it straight.
Straight down.
That don't look straight, but you can cut it straight.
I'll cut it from right there.
Cut it there, and then we're good to go.
Okay.
So you gotta put a battery in it, load it. Light comes on to let you know that it's ready to go. And I'm going to start it, but I'm going to let Chiquita do the entire thing herself. Now, when you put fabric onto upholstery, when you upholster something, you want to go from side to side to side to side. Don't do one whole side and then do the other whole side because it's going to get crooked on you. Okay. So you want to keep it straight as you can. Okay. So, you can start, it don't matter where you start. You can start from the top, start from the bottom. And what I usually do is fold over just that little bit right here. Just enough right here. And put a staple right here. Now, since this is your first time using it, you just press down.
Woo!
It's in there.
Shondo!
You see that?
Look
You
at
see
that?
that?
You see that? You see what I'm talking about? 24 karat magic.
Okay, let's do another one or two. Just another one or two.
Right
then
there.
we're going to do another side.
All right, here y'all go, y'all. I'm about to use the magic.
Hold it flat, straight down. Get your finger out the way.
Oh, yes. Woo!
There you go.
Look at that. Power! This is power, y'all.
I want to make sure nothing slipping.
Okay.
Put one more right here, and then we're going to do
Right
another.
there?
Right here.
Okay.
When you got the right tools, you can do anything. But when you don't have the right tools,
Oh, it's kind of tough.
it's tough.
I can do this at home, y'all. I don't have the tools.
So we're going to fold this one on this end, and we're going to pull it tight.
All right.
I always like to pull it
Tight.
See how pretty and smooth that is?
All right.
Always want to pull it tight because it can easily get loose on you. But when you by yourself, it don't matter. You want to get in here. Don't come here. Try to stay in where they did the original.
Right in there.
Yeah, and we're gonna
Fingers.
do that. And we always add a lot of staples. And don't be afraid to use too many. There's no such thing.
Right here.
To keep it flat, because that'll keep it from. It'll skip if it's not flat.
Okay.
So always make sure that green. Now, yeah, you got this on your fingers, not mine. Now, there are different ways to do the sides. You can fold it like an envelope, just like this. But once we're gonna tack it down here first, each side when we're ready to do it. And we'll fold this down, and you make these little. But you want to try and make them as tight, just like they did.
Yes.
They rounded them. So you'll staple. You put all these staples in here, and then you'll pull it as tight as you can, and you're gonna staple here, right up in here. Okay. Now we're gonna do the sides.
Okay.
And you can check it. Make sure.
It's flat.
So that's perfect.
Yes.
There is a such thing as perfect, y'all.
Yes.
That's perfect.
Yes.
Now, I will say, let's say the seat cushion was not in good condition. You can always pull let's say this was really damaged, the material original. You can take all those staples out. Good luck with that. And recover it with some batting. If you take batting and put it on top of the batting that's already here, it'll just make it more smoother. But these seats are in perfect condition, so they didn't need all that extra stuff. So just to let you know. Okay, now, like I said, we're going to do the sides. And then if you end up finding you have too much material, let's say you had so much material, you can cut some of that off.
Okay.
And nobody's going to see the bottom of this chair.
Right.
But I will say, when we get ready to put the bottom on, we got to find those holes.
Okay.
And that might be some work. That's going to be some work.
Okay.
But don't worry about it, because we don't know where the holes are. I mean, you should fill them, but I don't.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to do the corners. You're going to bring it, you can bring it in this way and pull, or you can take it down this way and pull. Your whole goal is to try to make it as smooth as this one is. I don't know what the paper for. I guess it was something original the way it was done. But yeah, you can fold this down and try and pull it tight as you can. Or you can, I mean that's not bad, because when you look at it, nobody won't see all that, because that's going to be the back of the chair.
Okay.
This is the front of the chair.
Okay.
So, like I said, you can decide how you want to do it. You may want to do it one way, but it may turn out and do itself a different way.
Gotcha.
Sometimes you can't get it exactly the way you want it. But I usually pull it down and pull it back up like this. And don't forget, we're gonna do this too.
Fold it.
If you think that's okay, we'll do it. If you don't like that, we'll redo it. And we're gonna staple every piece all the way up. All right, now what we just did was we finished the top, we covered it, and then we had to put the screws back in. There's four screws. You take them out, and then that's how you're going to put them back in. And now this chair actually only probably took about 2 hours to do. Go ahead, Chiquita, go ahead and flip it. And I'm going to bring the camera up so you can see her complete project. Well, we're going to see if we can turn it this way.
There it is.
It's complete. It's finished. It looks good. It's beautiful.
My DIY.
Her first DIY. And it only cost us about $7.
Yes.
And that's just for fabric. The chairs were given to her. Oh, plus the paint.
The paint.
What is it about?
The paint was
$3?
like $3.
$3.49 at
$3,
Walmart.
and I actually went to Hobby Lobby, and I used my 40% off coupon.
Okay.
Yes.
Take these ugly glasses out. So like I said, we used just a little bit of paint, spray paint, and some fabric. But $10, you got a beautiful brand new chair.
Brand new chair. I could sell this on eBay for $150.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is LeahRonise signing off. Don't forget to like, share.
Yes.
If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. To email me, text me, however you do it. You know, I'm not good with all that saying stuff. But I'm sure it's down at the bottom. Just go ahead and get back to us. And we're going to do some more projects together.
Yes.
So,
I got some more coming, y'all.
Thank you for watching.